你们好. Today we'll be doing the letters of the Chinese alphabet. When I told my students that there are 47 letters in the Chinese alphabet, some of them panicked. For now, all my students are Nigerians and we are used to the 26 letters of the English alphabet. You can imagine asking somebody who is used to 26 letters of English alphabet to start memorizing 47. I will make it really, really easy. You won't believe how easy. We will not do them at once. We'll take them in batches. I will show you what we have on the board, the whole 47 letters of the Chinese alphabet. Then I will select the ones we're doing for now. We're not doing them at once. Do not worry. You will have time to know all of them. Let's go to the board. Chinese alphabets. These are the 23 initials. Remember I said initials are consonants. Then 24 finals. And remember I said finals are vowels. We're not doing the 47 at a go. We are going to do this in 2-3 batches maybe. There is something you will observe here. All the 26 letters we have in the English alphabet are here. Can you see A? This is A. There is B here. There is C. There is D. You have A to Z here. I'm going to pick A to Z. I'll pick them out and then add this ZH, this CH, and SH. SH is somewhere, and SH. The others will wait. We will do them later. You're going to learn this alphabet in a very simple way. I will wipe this and write down the letters we'll be learning for today. I have written out all the letters of the Chinese alphabet that we have in English to help us learn it very well. The differences here are the way we pronounce the letters in English is not the same way they're pronounced in Chinese. And then the English alphabet has V, but here the other U, the second U that you can see here with the 2 dots is what is taking the place of the V. There is no V in Chinese alphabet. And here in C, after C, you have another C with H, CH. And after S, you have another S with H, SH. And then after Z, you have another Z with H, ZH. So those are the differences. Please pay rapt attention. Listen very attentively as I say them. I even made it easy. I wrote something to help us with pronunciation. As you can see, the A is pronounced R. You see, I wrote AH. That's R. In English alphabet, we will just call it A, but the Chinese call it R. Then for B, they say B, B. For C, they pronounce it like they are calling TS. That is C, C. So anywhere you see C, if you see C, only C, not CH, you pronounce it like you're saying TS. For the fourth one, ch, I had to write 2H in front of the C to let you know that you have to really make the ch sound very well. Ch, and then you have the, this E. I gave you people a word when I was teaching you dissyllables. The word is 可以, but many of you were saying 可以. I know it is because you are pronouncing it like the English E. I did not bother talk about it because I have not taught you alphabets. So here you go. It is not E. You call it like you're calling UHH. Like you want to smile, like you're spreading your lips to smile. So it is 可以, not 可以. And then G. These things I wrote here, please write them so that they will help you in pronunciation. H. The reason I wrote 2H before writing another UH is to let you know that the H is to be very audible. Like H, H. Then I is pronounced E, E. The J in Chinese alphabet is pronounced like our G in English alphabet. That is why I wrote G-E-E. G, G. Then K is K, K. Let me put another K because that K is supposed to be very audible. K, L for L, M, N, O. I will make the P double because this P is to also be very audible. You remember B is B, no pressure, but P you go P. Then see this letter. This letter, we are going to talk about it. When I asked you people to say those trisyllabic words, one of the trisyllabic words is Xing Qi Yi. This T was there, and many of you were calling it like Q in English alphabet. And also, there was a time I asked you to say Dui Buqi. Many of you were calling the Q like it's Q in English. Okay, the Chinese say Q like they are saying TSH, like Chi, then R, R, R. The S is S, 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 SH, Sh, Sh. You see this SH and CH. Don't get them confused. CH is pronounced with pressure, like sh. Did you get the difference? But SH is sh, like you're saying shoe. But this one, you're saying it like you're saying, which English word will I use to explain this? Is it church? I think church has that strong CH. Ch, sh, ch, ch. Then t, t, u, u. And then the other U with the two dots. You pronounce it like you're saying I, Y, U, U. So you go U, U. Note the difference, please. This one is O. This one is U, O, U, O, U. And then W is pronounced Wu, Wu. But when you are typing in Chinese, if you want to type this U, it is V. It is the letter V that you press on your keyboard and you will see this letter. W is Wu, X. When I asked you to say those disyllabic words, one of the words was xian, zai, but many of you were saying xian, zai, and that's because you are saying it like the English alphabet. It's not s, is you pronounce it like you're saying sh, but the sh will not sound like this sh. That is the reason why I put ssh. C, 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 not S, but C, C, and not Sh, X. I have heard some of you say xie xie. From now on, you know how to say it. It is xie xie, 现在, 谢谢, 现在. And here is Y. Y is pronounced yi, yi. And the Z, you go z, z, z. Then the last one is the Z with the H. That is pronounced like you're saying Jurh. J, J. This one is Z. This one is zh, z, zh, z, zh. Please tell me it's not hard. We are doing 29 out of the 47. That means we have 18 more to go. That 18, we are going to divide it like into 3 because those are the ones that are really, really challenging to pronounce. But these ones are quite easy, especially the way I wrote out sounds to help you pronounce them.